There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate your presence. I really appreciate you coming and seeing my videos. I cannot believe how many subscribers I've gotten recently, and it's really making me happy. So thank you, all of you. All right, I have been watching a lot of people lately do the open cup pour. Angie Mason the other day did one that was so fabulous. And then I saw Brian from Brian's Upper Valley Artistry also do one. That was gorgeous. So, haven't done one in a while. So let's do an open cup pour. So let's get down to the canvas and see what we've got. Hold on. Okay, today we are going to be working on an Artist Loft Level 2 gallery wrap canvas. It is a 20 by 20 inch. It is taped and push pinned on the back, and I have painted my edges in one of my colors. That is my turquoise. So let's do the colors. Get that back where it goes so it's in frame. Okay, so my base color is a mixture of two. It is the Liquitex Basics Turquoise Blue, which is what I painted the outside edges, and into that, in about a 50-50 mix, is the Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. These colors work really well together, and what that does is adds a little sparkle and shine to that Liquitex beautiful turquoise. So that is going to be our base, and it'll be in the pour. Our next color is Decoart Americana in Alzerian Crimson. This is a beautiful color. I'm really liking it. I've used it a few times. Lovely. Of course, we've got the Decoart Metallics in the 24 karat gold. Probably be surprised if I didn't have that in a pour. For my white, instead of regular white, I am using Folk Art Metallic Pearl White, because I don't want a lot of white in this, but I figured I really should put some in. So I put a sparkly, shiny, I don't know if you can see the shine on that white paint, but whoo, so pretty. All right, next color. This is Liquitex Basics in the light blue violet. I'm back to my blues and purples. That is a beautiful color. Next is Liquitex Basics in Prism Violet. That is such a beautiful tone. And our last color is Arteza Ultramarine Blue. And that's gorgeous deep blue. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, let me move a few things out of the way. Just go over this way a little bit. We're not bumping into things. All of my paints today are of course mixed with Mix Pour. If you would like to get some Mix Pour, you can contact Krista Rasmussen at krista8974@gmail.com, and she will help you get Mix Pour. I've been very, very happy with my mix. All right, we're going to start by flooding this canvas. Move these paints back a little on that side and up here. Get this canvas flooded, and then we'll be ready to get going. A little bit more of this real quick, and let's place our first cup. So, just give this a quick torch. going to put the first cup over here, right there. Seal that guy in good. Just put as much of that in first. Okay. Let's start putting some colors in. I think we will start with a little gold. You want to pour your colors from up high so it pushes down and forces it to come out. Starting to work. This. Oh wow. Oh yeah, it's all popping up here. Oh, I'm liking that.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong.
Okay. Now, let's put our second one over here. Don't drop the cup.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
Puddle. There. And again, we're going to pour from up high. Help encourage our colors to come out. I think I'll change the order this time.
Shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws.
Ooh, look at this over here. Oh, I am seeing happiness here. Cup to cup that way just a third one over here. Ooh, look at how pretty. Oh, I am happy. Okay. Oh, that is gorgeous. All right, let me move some of these pink cups out of the way a bit so we can start tilting. Ooh, want to just let it sit a second because it's still percolating up. I can see more coming up. Just giving it a second. Oh, look at the colors. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is going to be an effort to tilt. I think I'm going to turn it around because I think I want to tilt it that way first. And come back to this side. So I just want to tilt it a wee bit just to get it sort of moving. There's a lot of paint on here. Edge just a bit. Ooh, quickly come back, come back, come back. Don't go over here. Down this way a bit. Slow it down. Oh, I see some beautiful shimmers on here. I don't mess this up. It's gonna be gorgeous. Just got rid of a whole lot of cells I didn't really want to get rid of, but wow. Oh, wow. This is making me so happy. I'm just gonna go over that corner because I need to get rid of a little bit more. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh yeah, now I'm happy. Now I am exceedingly happy. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna stop a second because I gotta take a look at this. Woo! Oh, that's so pretty. I'll go this way just a wee bit. Okay, I gotta stop. Stop. Don't do anything more. Don't mess it up. There is some awesome shimmer in here. I just don't want to leave too much paint on here, but wow. Whoa. Oh, that is fabulous. Ooh. Ooh. All tingly. That is so pretty. Tilt it towards me just a tiny bit. Not much, just a little. Okay. Oh, yeah, I'm not messing with that anymore. Mm-mm. Look at that. Oh, okay. I'm going to clean me up a bit. I'm going to torch this. I'm going to touch up my edges. And I'm going to bring you down for a close-up because this, oh my God, this is gorgeous. And the shimmer I am seeing in here is just making me feel all sorts of happy. It is a happy day. Oh. Oh, it is a very, very happy day. Okay, we are ready for the wet results. I am so happy here. I'll start over here. Look at these. Look at this here. Oh, oh, the beautiful colors. Look at this blend and the cells. That is just so fabulous. And up here, oh, look at that blue violet. And come down the little turquoise river here with all the cells. Oh, this is happiness right here, people. And come down this bottom and look at the cells here. Look at that. Wow. Into this section here. Go up through this band here. Oh wow, look at all that. Whoa. In this section here. It's pretty. Oh, and look at this. Look at this. Oh. Back into this part here. This corner is pretty. Look at this. Look at these cells. Oh. And the lines in here. And the paleness up here. Oh. It's just gorgeous everywhere. Look at that little corner. Look at the little cells in the corner. And the shimmer. Oh. Oh, so much shimmer. This is going to be so beautiful if it dries well. All right, hang in there for the wet. I'm sorry, that was the wet results. Hang in there for the dry results. I'm so excited I can't even talk. Hold on. Okay, we're ready for dry results. I brought this one outside. It's not 100% dry, but it's been days. So we're just gonna do dry results because it's not that wet. So we're gonna start up here in the paler section. Look at these cells. Oh. And then the turquoise cells down here. And the gold and turquoise and white cells. And the dark lines in there. And then this beautiful little section here, bubbling up. We get into that dark Alizaran crimson. And this dark little bridge section here. I go up the center ribbon here. Look at the deepness of the colors in here. Oh, so pretty. Up here to the top corner. And that beautiful purple, deep violet is coming out. And I love all these little white bubbles in that purple band coming down this side, and another little bubbling up of gold over here in this corner. Just so pretty. So thrilled with this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much for your presence. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.
We came to party.